Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that Nka Umu, under the Igbo traditional society, was passing down history, values, and survival skills to the younger generation through arts, music, and storytelling? You are welcome back to Igbo Tradition, My Heritage, and today I will be discussing about Nka Umu. Somebody will be wondering, what is Nka Umu? Well, when you stay put and follow me to the end of this video, you will understand what Nka Umu is. First, what is Nka? In Igbo culture, when you hear Nka, Nka means arts or creativity. Umu, when you hear Umu in Igbo language, it means children or youths. So, Nka Umu, like I described at the beginning of this video, history, passing down of history, values, and survival skills to the younger generation via arts, music, and storytelling. Storytelling. I discussed about the moonlight dance, Igbo. You can go see the video on Igbo, but I'm using it as an example here because in Igbo, there was folklore. The elder ones told stories. They passed down history to the younger generation via stories. They told history of the land, of the community. They taught the younger ones wisdom via proverbs. They taught the younger ones how to reason via riddles. Atomatoku. So, via storytelling, our ancestors passed down history, values to the younger generation. That's storytelling. About music, I discussed Irumbede here. You can also go check video on Irumbede. And I made mention in that video that at the end of the Irumbede, the Medians came out. Their outing was with a dance. Remember I said there, Irumbede was a rite of what? Passage. The older women taught the younger ones how to be a woman and taught them dance, how to carry their body as a woman and how to move their body gracefully. Somebody will say, I remember when I was in school, during dance class, if your body was not flexible enough, that was a minus for you. Our lecturer never joked with flexibility of the body. So you can imagine that our ancestors, they taught the younger women how to be flexible, how to move, and how to carry themselves as women. You also know the popular Nkwa Umu, also a rite of passage. Nkwa Umu, popular in Afikpo, the present day in Ebonyi State. Also a rite of passage, how when you watch them, the way they carry their bodies and how they move, how flexible their bodies are, and how agile. So those are the things that the older women taught the younger women through dance. Another one was body arts for identity. They used uli for body arts. The older women taught the younger women how to, beautify the body with uli, that natural dye. So they wrote names, some geometrical lines, on the body symbols. I remember my late grandmom had some geometric lines on her body and the symbols. You understand, drew with uli. So they taught them how to beautify the body, and also patience, because drawing such thing required patience. So they were taught by the older women how to be patient and how to beautify their body. Then among the younger men were initiated into the Mmon court. In Igbo cosmology, Mmon, that's masquerade. It's seen as a spirit, not a woman just wearing costumes. I've discussed masquerade here. You can go check the video out too. So there they were taught about the secrets of spirituality. They were taught taboos of the land, and they were also taught governance through Mmon. Another one was blacksmithing, the common Oka blacksmithing. The younger men were taught how to forge farming tools like hoes, knives, and ceremonial staffs and stuff like that. They were taught how to do that, blacksmithing. Another one was pottery and weaving. The younger women were taught how to mold household items, storage vessels, intricate materials. We know the popularly known akwete clothes. So the younger women were taught how to do all those things. And wood carving. The younger men were taught how to carve sacred effigies, market mask, stools, and other things that had to do with wood carving. So Nka Umu was a pan Igbo tradition because it taught character development, discipline, integration into the community, and acquiring of survival skills. Indeed, our ancestors were wise. So this is where I'll be drawing the curtain on Nka Umu to see you in my next video.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold.